Hello, student. How are you? Fine, thank you. First, I congratulate you for moving the higher classes and welcome you in this class 6. I think you all are unfamiliar with me. So, first, I would like to express you my name. My name is Sudhanshu Shekhar. So, come to the point now. Today, I would like to teach you SST, a history. And the first chapter of history is what, where, how, and when. Students, these all words are interrogative words, and these words at the chapter we have to learn. So first, I would like to say you that why these interrogative words have been used to know history. Students, in your childhood or in this age, I think you all are very curious to know about something, and you always ask to your father, to your mother, you know, what is this, why this is, how this is, and when you get the answer of this question, you consolidate your knowledge. So, this is the history. We use this word to know about the history. So we can say that history is the study of past. And the people often wonder as to how we came to know about the past. It is quite an interesting task. What can we know about the past? There is no into the list of the things. We can know about the past. We learn about things people ate, clothes they wore, and the houses which they lived in. Further, we even learn about the lives of hunters, herders, rulers, farmers, traders, priestly classes, craftsmen, artists, musicians, and scientists. Always, and always, when we sit peacefully, we always think how the people, lived in the past, how they collected their food, what they had to do, how they, reached one place to other place. So many questions, start to come in our mind. So first, we have to know that where did the people live in the past period. We know that generally on that time the people were herders and nomads, food gatherers, hunters, etc. and etc. They moved from one place to other place only to search the food. And so they collected there, they congregated there, they start to live only on that place where there was a possibility to, you know, obtain the food. So come to the point, generally they lived across the river near the, you know, mountains,